Okay, welcome to Module 2, Lesson 16. Now please put your name up at the top. Please do not do it in something silly like crayon or what else we got here. I'm going to do it in, what's text pen? Please excuse the interruption while I play with the smartboard. It will only take a minute, I promise. Okay, it looks like that did not work at all. So apparently my name is Mr. 2 minus Gur. Well, you get the idea of what I was trying to do, I hope. Anyways, the math is already done for you. It's down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 in discs, because it wants you for A and C to do discs. And if you divide these discs each by 10, like it shows you right there, and I will underline it in regular pen, then you get 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Uh-oh. The setting is still on. Hold on, I will get rid of it. 45 minutes later. Okay. Finally figured out how to fix that. So it's 500 divided by 10. And this would be the discs left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same number of discs, but we divided each by 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. And each one got divided by 10. So now you just count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10 is 50. So 50 is your answer once it actually fills in. Sometime today, smartboard. Okay, so maybe if I go a little slower. Smartboard has not had its morning coffee yet. Come on, smartboard. You're killing me. Uh-oh. Kids are coming. Gotta go. I'll pause it. We'll resume in, well, to you it'll be about 2 seconds. 1 and 2. Okay. Sorry for that distraction. What I'm going to do is I need to zoom in. Give me 2 seconds. There we go. Now for these division ones, what they're looking for is to break this up. 360 can be divided by 10 and divided by 30 and 6 and so forth. But let's look at, and this one's actually way too easy. 360 divided by 10 is, you just cross out the 0, 36. Let's go to a harder one, like down here. Now if you divide by 100, that's saying divide by 10 and divide by 10. So for 450,000 divided by 10, you would have the decimal here. It would be 45,000 divided by another 10 is 45, already here. 4500, otherwise known as 4,500. Okay, still kind of easy. I'm going to pause and go to a harder one. Okay, here's a good one. 12,000 divided by 300. 300 really, what happened to my pen? Thin line. Alright. Is divided by 10 and divided by 3, because 3 times 10 is 30. Sorry, divide by 100, because 3 times 100 is 300. Now, you always want either 10, 100, or 1,000, something with zeros, because it's way easier. 12,000 divided by 100, you would just cross the zeros out. So it would be 12. Because there's 12,000, and you actually cross 2 zeros out. Oh, I've got to have my coffee this morning. Sorry. You'd have 120. And then you divide by 3, which is really 12 divided by 3, and that's 4 with a 0 because you gotta have that 0. So 40. So you don't have to really do much math for these. You just have to kind of organize it a little bit. Let's try one more and then call it a day and go home because it's Friday. If it's not Friday, wherever you are, then, well, too bad because it's Friday here and it's awesome, I gotta tell you. Okay, 700, break it down into, into 100. I get too excited sometimes with this math. Divided by 100, then divided by 7. Because 7 times 100 is 700. Alright? So if you divide by 100, you just cross 2 of the zeros out. And you're left with 5, 6, 0, 0. So 5,600 or 5,600, and then divide by 7. And use your math facts. 56 divided by 7. If you don't remember it, think the fact families. What times 7 is 56? If you do, I like to think of it as just a reverse, or a reverse fact family. So 8 times 7 is 56. So it's 8. 56. Well, let's do this. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And then there's 2 zeros left over, so 800. Now, the fact family, remember, is the opposite. So if I want to prove it and to check, you can do 800 times 7, which I think most people are more familiar with. 8 times 7 is 56, add 2 zeros. So we know we're right. So we can eliminate, actually, let's just circle it in this cool pink thing that is like a dotted line. All right, now time to play with a marker, because that's the best part. Purple crayon everywhere. There's one more that I wanted to do. What's paintbrush? Oh, it looks like a paintbrush. Oh, I can't stand it though. There's streaks. Paint it all the way in. I wonder if anybody does artwork on the smartboard and sells it. So as you can see, this math isn't too hard. Oh, my phone. Oh, where's my phone? Hello? You made what? You made brownies? Awesome. No, Mom, that sounds great. Yeah, I know you're 50 minutes away, but I'll drive anywhere for brownies. All right. All right, people, gotta go. Brownie time. Bye-bye.